Hey there! Welcome! If you're here, it means you're serious about building a successful career as a certified security officer in Florida. And guess what? You've just landed in the perfect place to make that dream a reality. You know, not too long ago, I spoke with a student named Mike. Mike wanted a stable career where he could provide for his family and feel proud of his work. He kept hearing that security was a booming field, but he was overwhelmed by all the confusing information out there. He spent days searching online, trying to piece together how to become certified. He was frustrated, confused, and honestly, ready to give up. Then, he found our online program. Fast forward just a few weeks. Mike completed our online security officer class, got his Class D license, and now works full-time with great pay and benefits. His life changed just like that. Maybe you're like Mike. You want to start a career in security, but feel overwhelmed by the process. Where do you get trained? How do you apply for your license? What if you make a mistake and waste time or money? Here's the truth. Most people don't know where to start. They feel stuck and confused, and as a result, they never take that first step. But that's where we come in. Introducing the Online Security Officer class, your all-in-one solution to becoming a certified security officer in Florida. We've simplified the entire process, breaking it down into 5 essential steps. 1. Understand the role and responsibilities. 2. Complete the required training Class D license. 3. Apply for your license. 4. Find employment. And 5. Gain experience and advance your career. This class is designed to take you from where do I start to I'm certified and employed. It's 100% online, affordable, and flexible, so you can learn at your own pace, even if you're working another job or have a busy schedule. Now, because you're here today, I'm going to make sure you get the best possible start. When you sign up right now, you'll not only get access to the full training program, but I'm also throwing in $997 worth of free gifts and bonuses. Why choose Hyde's Academy? We are a DS Security Officer Training School, licensed by the Florida Division of Licensing. Our licensed DI instructor are professionals with years of experience. We provide flexible learning. Our security courses are designed with your convenience in mind. You can choose your learning schedule from Monday to Friday. Online security training. Earn a recognized certification to apply for security jobs immediately. Take your class from the comfort of your home or anywhere you have access to the internet with a computer, laptop, or tablet, excluding your phone. Whatever your lifestyle, you can complete your training at your convenience. Affordable pricing. Get started in the security field for an affordable special price. This special offer gives you access to comprehensive training that prepares you for a successful career without breaking the bank. Florida State-approved certification. Here's what you get with this special offer. $30. Discount off the regular class price of $149. Free Florida Security Officer Course Manual Study Guide. The complete course booklet contains the main security topics, protocols, and procedures you must know in each category. $125 value. Free 200-plus study questions and answers exam. Prep Guide, to help you ace the final exam. Please note this is not the test, but information you need to know to help you pass. $49 value. Free personal resume. Revision. Email your resume to us and we will revise it to meet your security job objectives. $55 value. Free PDF interview. Preparation. You will receive 50+ of the most common interview questions and expert tips to ace your job interviews. $29 value. Free skills and equipment. Guide. List of skills and equipments every security officer must have for any situation. $57 value. Free job placement. Guidance and support. We don't just train you, we set you up for success. Learn exactly how to land your first security job with resume help, interview prep, and insider job tips. We help you choose and apply to security companies that are hiring. No employment is guaranteed. It is determined by how well you meet the employer's requirements. $200 value. These are typically sold separately, but for today only, you'll receive them absolutely free. Plus, in addition, you will get 4 bonuses. Bonus 1. Tactical security training. Master real-world security techniques that most training programs never teach. $69 value. Bonus 2, the ultimate guide to starting your security career, $89 value. Bonus 3, advanced security guide. Unlock the secret to security mastery. 10 essential skills every security officer must have, $97 value. Bonus 4, access to our private Facebook group and job alerts. Get exclusive job opportunities, networking, and career growth support, $197 value. Total value, $997. Yours today for $149. Minus your $30 discount. Yours for only $119. That's a 90% discount, but only for a limited time. That's right. All these bonuses completely free when you enroll today. Now, I know what you might be thinking. I'm not sure if I can commit to an online class. The truth is, our class is designed to be flexible. You can learn anytime, anywhere. Busy schedule? No problem. What if I'm not tech savvy? We've made the platform super simple to navigate. Plus, our support team is always available to help you get set up. Is this really going to help me get a job? Absolutely. We don't just train you, we support you through the certification process and help connect you with real job opportunities. Right now, you have a choice. You can keep doing what you've been doing, waiting, doubting, wondering. Or you can take action, enroll today, and be on your way to a fulfilling and stable career. But here's the catch. This special $30 discount and the $997 worth of free gifts and bonuses won't last forever. Spots are limited, and once they're gone, they're gone. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Click the button below and secure your spot now. Look, I believe in you. I believe that you're here because you're ready to make a change. And I believe that this training will be the stepping stone you need to build a successful career as a security officer. Take that step of faith. Click the button below, enroll now, and let's get started. I can't wait to see you in class. Take advantage of this special offer and start a career as a licensed Florida security officer.